All right. So for this one, um, we're gonna take half of the coefficient again. So -6 divided by 2 will be -3, and -3 squared equals 9. Equals 9. Making the equation x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 9 equals 27. And we can then to get rid of, I'm going to add 9 here and add 9 here to get rid of that 9. Making it x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 36. And we can make we can rewrite this as x minus 3 squared equals 36. And I'm gonna have to do the clean and dirty method. So we have to find the square root of 36. So it's gonna be minus x minus 3 equals 6. X minus 3 equals 6. So x will equal -3, or positive way, x minus 3 equals 6. X minus 3 equals 6 will also equal x equals 9. So those will be our two answers for this way. Next, we gotta do it using the quadratic formula, which is, let's write the question, the formula, the equation that we're using, which is x squared minus 6x equals 27. Alright, so before we get into the quadratic formula, we have to set this to 0. So we're going to subtract 27 from here. Add it here. So it's going to be x squared minus 6x subtract 27 equals 0. Now we're going to put this into the quadratic formula, which is x equals -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here's me plugging in numbers. Plus or minus -6 squared. It's 4, 1, -27 over 2. Alright, here's me plugging in this formula. Now we have to basically solve everything into it, so this becomes a positive 6 plus or minus square root of -6. Not square root, square of -6 would be 36, positive 36. 27 plus 4, -27 plus times 4 is 108. And it's just going to be 2. 36 plus 108 is 144 over 2. And we can divide this in here, making this, not divide it, the square root of 144 is 12, so it's 12 over 2, which also equals plus some 18 over 2, or negative 6 over 2. Those equal, we can simplify 18 over 2 to 9. We can simplify negative 3 over 2 into negative 3, and that will be our final answers. All right, this is question 8, exam 4. It's asking us to, given x squared minus 6x equals 27, solve the following quadratic question by the 3 different methods. First, we're going to ask us to solve it with the factoring method. All right, now we have this. First, we're going to set this to 0. So we're going to subtract 27. Make this x squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. We got 1 times 20, negative 27 equals negative 27. So 1 and 27 will just be 3 and 9. Alright, so it's going to be 3 and negative 9, so it's going to be x squared minus plus 3x minus minus x minus 27 equals 0. Alright, we can split these two up. See what we can take out from both of it. We can take x out of this one, making it x plus 3. And we can take negative 9 out of this, making that x minus no, it's going to be x plus 3. And they're going to equal 0 both. So it's going to be x plus 3 and x minus 9. X will equal negative 3, because negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. And x will also equal positive 9, because positive 9 minus 9 equals 0. And that will be our 2 answers. Alright, next we're going to solve this using the square method. Alright. It's going to be x squared minus 6x equals 27.